This is my garden. Let us go for making a garden. Here in a small place I have planted many types of flower plants. Here look, this is night queen, this is marigold, this is crown of a thorn, this is turmeric, rose, red ginger. Everything is available here. Here look, here look, here look. Yes, pineapple is going to be plantation. Here is purple heart. I make all types of vegetables and flowers planting. This is going on cauliflower. Look here, the cauliflower, and this is brinjal. This is chili. This is pumpkin. This is papaya plant. We are going to go. This is African tulsi, and you know this. I have the mustards of cellos. So many cellos in my garden. Look here. Yes. Here is radish, the domestic radish. Look here. Here also nothing. All the flower plants. This is jasmine flowers. This is office time. Tulsi. Everything available. Look here. How? Look how much. This is red ginger. Look. This is rose. We are going to be blooming. This, 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 this. Two plants. Look here. This Mayflower. Only May, at the month of May it will be blooming. Mayflower. Mayflower. These are the flower. All of these plants. Oh. This is another rose. Another is going to be. This is very nice. In the morning I make this video. Look. And this is chili. This another, and this is going to be this also. Night queen. Look, night queen. It's going to be this flower. Purple flower is going on. So many purple here. Then cabbage on the pot. The Bahar. This is rain spider lily. 70 to blooming. Look here, small plant are going to be fruits. It is urad. It is in Marathi language it is very goran, matlab domestic. It is real brinjal. Look, it is leaf are full of thorn, more delicious. Look, leaves also thorn. Kata begun bolta. It is thorn brinjal. Thorn brinjal. Look, leaf also. Look here, the brinjal is coming. The flower is blowing. There is one small plant. You know this. This is the medicine plant, ajwain. and then you put paste in your look. This flood bin, how much is going on? Just winter season. This is going to look.
Good morning.
Good morning. I make a video for YouTube.
ये काय काय ये काटेरी लगा है
It is dragon
fruit है
fruits.
मी म्हटलं ना
It's dragon fruits.
मुझे उसके ये देना भैया
हाँ अब काटिंग एंड प्लांटिंग बस हो जाए जो सो मैंने आई प्लांट दिया उधर
मतलब तो पूरा कापलं की येतं ते
अब यू ब्रिंग ए कुंडली आप अच्छा से लगाए दो
कुंडी देता मैं
हाँ कुंडी देते
हाँ काट के लगा उधर है बड़ो देख लगा दूंगा जल्दी आ जा ये जल्दी फ्लावर
साल गांव को भागना ज्यादा हो रहा था आधे पेड़ सूख जा रही है हमारे
ठीक है अब ले जाओ कुंडली लगाए दो
थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा
हाँ लगाए दो हो तेरा मेरा मेरा बात
वाटीतच लावू
ये अनाज कितना बड़ा झाड़ हो
मी म्हटलं तुम्हाला ते आहे
ते गुलाब आपण काळ्या बेली केला आपण बेली गुलाब देत होतो
शेवंती त्यांच्या आधी शेवंती दिसली
मग आपण हुआ किती
This is going on to the long bean. After that, it will give more beans here. So after some days, we will come to my garden. The flower is coming, and there's more to prepare. This is my garden. This is ginger. This water penis going to be plantation. Yeah, water penis. Dragon fruits. And our peanuts. Dragon fruits. I look plantation also, you know. Look here, how many plantation are there plant and put in the soil. Look how many plantation. I'm going to plantation. First of Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Have a good day for all.